Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and let's look at the browser market share for desktop. So this means what you see here is only for PCs. I've taken out, not looking at mobile or anyway, so you're not talking about Android, we're not talking about iOS, we're just talking about straight computers, PC computers. What are the statistics on the browser? Look at that. Look at how Chrome dominates amazingly. 66.88% of all the PCs around the world are running Google Chrome. Just an amazing number when you think about it. And look how far behind everybody else is. Firefox is the second most popular at 11.43%. Internet Explorer continues pretty much to fall regularly, 7.15%. Safari, which is the Apple operating system's browser, although it does exist on Windows, but I don't know a lot of Windows users that use this, 5.4%. Microsoft Edge, 4.15%. It ain't growing. It's almost even like dropping. It's just crazy. Microsoft Edge is not taking any momentum. And finally, Opera at 2.46. Opera is sad that it's 2.46 because I personally find that it's a pretty amazing browser. And honestly, I think it could really compete with Google Chrome. But, one of the biggest things that's happening in these statistics when you look at it is the fact that there's, the people don't move from a browser to another. They don't do that. There's no, people when they use something on a PC, and I've seen that through the years, it's very difficult for them to change. And, that's why Internet Explorer dominated for so long. Because people were using Internet Explorer, it was working, and they wouldn't see why they would change. And slowly but surely, sometimes people had a problem, they would actually move on to another browser because of a problem. Or, their tech guys might say, hey, well, you should use something else than Internet Explorer and so on. But it took a lot of time for Google Chrome to dominate as it is dominating now. And it's kind of difficult to see any browser that would take on Google Chrome right now. They're really, really high. Somebody was asking me, Google Chrome is going to stay there. Well, don't forget, Internet Explorer was once at that number. Internet Explorer was once more than 70% of what people used. Plus the fact that it was in every version of the Windows, it shows you that dominating doesn't mean you're going to stay there maybe someday, maybe it could be one of the browsers we already know, like Firefox or Opera or whatever, that suddenly has this cool new feature and everybody wants to get that browser. It could be a new browser that we don't know of that will appear someday and say, oh man, this is the coolest browser ever. But of course, it is very difficult, and we don't, for the near future, see any difference or any changes in these numbers. So pretty amazing numbers when we look at all of this. And Chrome sure dominates. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.